Did you know that you can easily copy a project in Project for the Web to create a new one or to use it as a template? Before we begin, if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. Project for the Web is Microsoft's latest project planning and execution system. It's intended to be easy to use and a new way to plan and run a project. Let's say you created a project in Project for the Web and the project went really well, and you simply want to reuse that schedule to accelerate planning for another project. Or maybe you want to use the successful project as a model or template for future projects. How do you do that? It's part of a simple 3-step process. Here we are in Project for the Web, and we've opened the project we want to copy. Now we select all of the activities by clicking on the left side of the first activity, holding down the Shift key, and selecting the last activity. Then we right-click and pick Copy Task. The second step is to create a new project. Go back to the home screen and click to create a new blank project. Here we have our new blank project. We're going to give this a name. If you're going to use this as a template, maybe you want to give the project a name with a prefix like template. Then we're going to select our top activity, again from the left-hand side, and we're going to simply select Paste. The final step is to clean up the project. Select all activities and set them to 0% complete. If this is going to be a model for a new project, go through and adjust the durations and update assignments or add new assignments. If you're using this as a template, go through and remove assignments. Remember that any assignments you leave in here will show up in your Power BI reports. We just showed you 3 easy steps to reuse your Project for the Web schedule for starting another project or creating a template. Select all the tasks in a project and copy them. Create a new plan and paste them in. Clean up the new plan for future use. Easy, right? Western Principles is a Microsoft Gold certified project and portfolio management partner. We know Microsoft Project and can help you get going with all aspects of your project and portfolio management system. We can also help you extend your PPM system with the Microsoft Power Platform or partner solutions like the Portfolio Manager from UMT360 to help you drive more ROI from your PPM system. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.